If you are a real estate agent in Dubai and you are running Google Ads right now, I want you to open your phone and look at your last 10 leads. How many of them were actually serious buyers? And how many were people looking for a job, looking for a rental under AED 30K, or just students doing research? If you are like most agents in the UAE, you are probably burning 50% of your budget on these ghost leads. You call them, they don't answer. You WhatsApp them, blue ticks, no reply. It's frustrating and it makes you think Google Ads doesn't work in Dubai, but that is wrong. Google Ads does work, but only if you stop using the 2020 strategy of targeting generic keywords. We manage over 5k dirham a month for Dubai brokerages, and we've pivoted to a new intent-based structure for 2026 that filters out the junk before you pay for the click. In this video, I'm not just giving you tips, I'm going to show you the entire 3-step system. The keywords, the ad copy, and the landing page setup that gets qualified buyers who are ready to sign deals. The old way versus new way. Use B-roll of generic ads versus your new ads, or a whiteboard explanation. Here is exactly why you are failing. You are letting Google make decisions for you. You are using broad match keywords like luxury apartments Dubai. To Google, luxury apartments is the same as photos of luxury apartments or jobs in luxury apartments. They show your ad to everyone. The competitor trap. Plus, you are bidding against Emaar, Damak, and PropertyFinder. They have AED 10 million budgets. They don't care about ROI. They care about branding. You care about commission. You cannot play their game. The solution. In 2026, we don't target categories, e.g. 2-bed apartment. We target products. The psychology. Think about your own behavior. When you are just browsing for a car, you search best SUVs. When you are ready to buy, you search 2025 Range Rover Sport price. We are going to apply this to property. We will only target people searching for specific project names, e.g. Emaar Beachfront, Soba Heartland 2. If they know the name, they are bottom of funnel. Part 3, the technical setup. Decrease bid on tablets by 100%. Tablets historically have high browsing but low conversion. Save that money for mobile. The problem with Google Ads is that if you miss one check mark, like the location presence setting, you can waste AED 10,000 in a week. If you are a busy agent and you don't want to become a part-time media buyer, my team can just build this entire machine for you. We handle the keywords, the negatives, and the optimization. Part 4, the ad copy, price anchor. Getting the right keyword is only half the battle. Now you need to repel the broke people who search for it. The tactic. Most agents write ads like luxury living in Dubai, book now. That sounds nice, but it attracts dreamers. The fix. I want you to put the price in the headline. Write 2-bed in downtown views from AED 2.8. Why? This is a filter. If someone has a budget of AED 500k, they see AED 2.8 and they don't click. Good. You just saved money. Only the person who has AED 2.8 may will click. You get fewer clicks but higher quality leads. Part 5. The landing page secret. Do not send traffic to your website's homepage. It has too many distractions. They will get lost reading your About Us page. The fix. The quiz funnel or squeeze page. Send them to a simple page that asks one question. Are you looking for investment or end use? Then ask, what is your budget? When are you looking to buy? By the time they hit submit, they have answered 4 questions. This is a micro commitment. A lead who answers a quiz is 5x more likely to pick up the phone than a lead who just auto-filled a Facebook form. So to recap, stop targeting generic Dubai real estate keywords. Switch to project names. Build a negative keyword firewall to block job seekers. Put the price in your ad copy to repel tire kickers. And send them to a quiz funnel, not a homepage. If you do these 4 things, you won't just get more leads. You will get leads who actually pick up the phone and ask, when can I view the property? Now, implementing this takes time. If you want to skip the learning curve and have my team install this qualified buyer system into your business for you, click the first link in the description. Otherwise, if you want to see exactly what to say to these leads when you call them, watch this video here where I break down our script for investors. I'll see you there.